This video explains how you can speed up part of the clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. So before I tell you that, there is one shortcut way to speed up the entire clip. So let me tell you about that one. So just right click on the clip and then click on speed duration, and here you can increase or decrease the duration. Okay, but if you want to speed up just the portion of this clip, then what you can do is you can use this time remapping effect. So select the clip and then in the effect controls panel you will find this timestamp remapping, and in here you have to add this speed keyframe. Okay, so let us say I want to speed up from this part till this part. So just add these keyframes, and after that just take the mouse over this line and then drag it up like this. And you will notice that total duration of this particular clip is decreasing, but only this portion is getting speed up. So now if I run this, so you can see this part is getting speed up and then it is slowing down. That's it. Just use this time remapping feature. It's a very nice feature provided by Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.